Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be walking you through how to download the administrative boundary of different countries or any country of your choice. Endeavor to subscribe to this channel and like and share for more contents like this. So, administrative boundaries are very important shapefiles that you need when working on your location, study area map, your topographic map, and several types of maps. So now, first thing you need to know is that this shapefile is classified into three. We have the admin 0, admin 1, and admin 2. At the admin 0 level, we just have the country's shapefile and nothing inside. It's not displaying the states or the sub-towns in it. Now, at the admin 1 level, we can see states, and that's the only thing that is displayed at admin 1 level. We can confirm this by going to our attributes table. If you open up your attributes table, you can see this contains different states, and we can also label this by going to properties. Then you can label feature in this layer. You can use city name admin 1. Then you click on this apply. Then we have different states that have been labeled. Now at the admin 2 level, here we have not just the states, not just the country, but the sub-towns and cities inside each of the states. So if we open up our attributes table, you can see different local government areas and different sub-towns. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can be able to download 3 of them. So we'll be making use of this website. The link to this website will be dropped in the description of this video. So what you simply do is to type in the country choice, search. Now there are different shapefiles that you might be looking at. I need the settlements, the road, healthcare. But the shapefile will be downloading today will be the administrative boundary. So you click on the administrative boundaries. Now these are the different levels I told you about. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So you just click on them. Once you click on them, the download is initiated. So 3 of the download is complete. So these are the files that will be downloaded, and I've moved them from my download to one of my connected folders in ArcMap. So I'll simply highlight all these, then extract it here. Once the extraction is complete, I'll go ahead to open this in ArcMap. As you can see, we have our admin 0, admin 1, and admin 2. So I'll go to this place, then I'll navigate to file, then I'll click on add data. And when I click on add data, I need to navigate to where the file is saved. So I already have mine opened here. Then I can click on admin 0, click on this folder, then it opens up. Then if I also want to open the rest, just the same process, click on add data. Then I'll navigate to the second folder. Now here I'm opening this that has a shapefile icon. This is a polygon, this one is for polygons, and I'll just click on this, then I have. So to confirm this, I'll open my attributes table. Then when I open my attributes table, you can see different states in Nigeria. So if you open it up and you don't see this, that means you've mistakenly opened up a polygon. Then let me import admin 2 as well, add data. So this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Endeavor to subscribe and also like this video. Thank you.